Welcome to the channel and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So today I want to talk about, today I want to give a haul. So basically I am a freshman in college now. If you can hint what I'm majoring in, hence the username, business. Yay, I'm majoring in business. So I want to give a haul of the stuff that I've gotten my freshman year of college as a business major. So this will be the first video of my college journey. I want to take y'all on along the way of my college journey and me getting my business degree. So I put like everything into this Aritzia bag, like the notebooks and stuff like that, and like the notebooks and binders and folders. So let's start right there. So for binders, I got 2 of these strawberry print binders. As y'all can see, like throughout the video, you will see that I have a theme of like pink and strawberry stuff. I got 2 of these binders. I got these from Dollar Tree. Really nice, really nice. Simple inside, like no folders or anything. Or I don't need it this semester, but I might need it for a more material heavy class. But this is what it looks like. It is just this poppin' pink color, folder and stuff in it. So another thing that was this envelope thing. I don't know, I didn't know that I would like end up using this, because she did come in handy, because like when I was proposing an idea for my school, I had like these paper, like I had the papers in here, and like it was just like really easy to like just hand them, like you know this came in use. But this is a strawberry print. Once again, this is from Dollar Tree as well. Next is folders. So I kind of want to talk about the folders. This is this binder type of thing. Next is like also got the strawberry binder. Once again, really cute. And then my NYU Stern like notebooks and journals. So I picked up these 3 notebooks on Canvas's bookstore. So this is what it looks like. So I got this one for my writing 1 class, and this is hummingbirds. Then this is for my small business management / entrepreneurship course, progress journal. I'm reading this book called How to Be a Straight A Student. He talks about having a progress journal. It actually does it actually does work. Next is this one, just this regular composition notebook. I don't like composition notebooks, but because of the print, I literally picked up everything strawberry print, literally. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, actually. Next is journals. So I picked up 2 journals. This one's for school, this one's for personal life. So this one's a moleskin journal. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced moleskin. I remember I did see somebody pronounce it differently on like TikTok. So this is what it looks like. Really nice, really just sleek black journal. And I also picked up this one, which is for personal stuff. But this one, I forgot how to spell it, but I'll like put it somewhere. First is a scientific calculator. No, it's just like normal pink scientific calculator. Got these sticky notes from Dollar Tree. I don't really know. I mean, I don't really use them, but they're cute. I use regular sticky notes. So it's like a little thing. I feel like changing it and stuff, because I don't like to pull out my wallet. So yeah, really nice to just throw in your backpack. Once again, strawberry, got it at Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to more of the iPad accessories. Now for this semester, my classes, I don't really have to use a computer. I chose to use my iPad because like I use it every day anyway. So I did just kind of get some accessories to kind of go with the iPad. So first thing I got was an Apple Pencil. This is my second Apple Pencil, I believe, 2nd or 3rd. I use this thing every single day, So yeah, definitely recommend getting the Apple Pencil, like if you're an iPad user. I also got this. This is an iPad case with a keyboard attached to it, so now I can type with my iPad. School, I don't know, and I just really like this as somebody who uses an iPad instead of a computer. This is really nice and really cool. The last couple accessories that I got for the iPad were, I highly recommend this if you're like using an iPad instead of a computer. But this one looks like, this is the Logitech Pebble mouse. And you really don't need a mouse pad for this because of the way that it's like flat on the back. Next is I got this Logi mouse pad. Once again, in pink. This is my pencils and stationery pencil pouch off Amazon. Really nice. I've been like looking at this for a while though. Like I see this like all over Pinterest, right? So yeah, I really do like this. They're the other bunch of pockets. First, I got these at my school's bookstore. Yeah, Lip Pen Flex. I really just bought them because of the color. I'm not too sure if I would recommend these like for journaling, yeah, but like for everyday writing, no. Next is I have like one of my favorite pens, the G2 needle tip 0.7 pen, really nice. And then next is I tried some Muji, I think it's how you pronounce it, Muji stationery. Some of the best pens I've ever had. So I got these ones. They came in a pack of 12 on Amazon. So these are the Muji pens. Super nice. I think they're like such cool pens. Finally got these Muji pencils. I've been looking at these for like forever. These are seriously some of the best pencils I've had. Literally some of the really nice pencils. Like these, I forgot to put these in there, but I got some beads. I literally bought these because of the color. Like headphones are like a staple for like, you know, school and stuff like that. That concludes the end of this haul. Thank y'all for watching the video. Once again, I will be taking y'all along. I will be taking y'all along my whole college journey and stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, and also I'm having a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're really close, so make sure y'all subscribe. So yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching the video. I have like all my business links down below. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video.